Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody. Let's take a look on the gold market. So yesterday in general, as in gold as in euro, we have suggested very similar type of action that, well, logically is coming from the shape, the structure of the swings that we've got and the patterns that we've got. On the euro currency, well, market perfectly has completed, so forming the ABC retracement on the hourly chart and drop to the new lows and completing one target on the 1 hour chart. But on the gold market, although the first part was mostly the same, this gold market has completed the ABCD, bread and butter that we talked about. But with the downward action, the performance was a bit different, and we see some bullish power with this performance. At least when the market shows this type of action, it mostly has the bullish sentiment, which means that market probably will try to complete the target that we have around 1806. Right from there, so hardly we will get well, deeper retracement. So that is what is coming from the current price action. The performance that we have on the intraday charts actually provides levels and invalidation point that, well, let's consider possible taking the position with a relatively small risk. On the 4-hour time frame chart, take a look. This market twice has tested the first support. Initially, we thought and said that, well, that's great if we will get some kind of the ABCD retracement right to the 1740, 1747. Who knows, maybe we will get it later by some, I don't know, patterns or maybe on background on some non-farm pros report or something of that sort. But currently, with this double testing of this level, this looks more bullish rather than bearish. So we will see. But currently, it seems that upward breakout and taking out to this top has more chances to happen compared to reversal and downward action, because yesterday on this performance, this was not strong level in general, and but somehow market was able to stay here and reverse up. So that makes me think that this is bullish type of action, and it turns the advantage in favor of the possible upward continuation right to the target that we have in completion of this head and shoulders that we have with the XOP around 118/6. So that's why here actually we are getting two different scenarios. So conservative scenario remains the same. You could sit on the hands and wait for some greater ABCD pattern, something of that sort that might be formed, who knows, on some, I don't know, the payrolls report, or maybe some by some other reasons, maybe this could get us right there. Other traders who would like to try and take position right here, you could use more stressing swing for position taking in its lows as an invalidation point, because here on the hourly chart you could see that we have the double lows with the minor wash and rinse of these lows. This is bullish, and take a look here. Actually was some desperate attempt of the bears to push price for the lows, but they have failed. So that was initial starting upward action, our bread and butter with the ABCD shape that I talked about. Then you can see some acceleration trying to just break it down, but market has failed to do this. And take a look with this upward action. It is gradual and slow, but it's already has erased the whole recent downward action, and of course divergence here. So this makes me think that, well, here we probably get some chances that will be direct upward continuation. That's why if you would like to take the position, you could consider pullback to some of the levels. Here we have 1766.78, 1767, and 1762. There's two levels that you could consider. Here's probably we have, if you drop your time frame even more, you probably will get here some ABCD, minor ABCD pattern, right? So you can see it has been completed. Now market is, well, trying to show some maybe pullback, so you could try to use it for position taking. Stop should be placed below this area, because if market will drop still below the lows that have been tested twice, it means that this setup based on this idea will be erased, In this case, we will have no choice but to switch and turn to this one, this ABCD, to the downside, to the 1740, 1747. Until these lows are valid, gold keep chances to keep going higher right from there, from these levels.